Hi everyone, this is Susie. Today I wanted to show you the orchids me and Mama got for Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day everyone. This one's yellow with pink in the middle. Very beautiful orchids. Look like angel wings. And show you a little care for them. These here, as soon as the flowers die back, just cut the flowers off and they will keep blooming. They should last a very long time. They're so beautiful. And they'll stay healthy. Just keep cutting off the dead flowers. Let's turn this one a little bit. And the way you water them is you get a tray, put some water in the tray, and let it soak up the water for about a minute, and shake off the excess water, put back in your container. That's all you do. Don't give them direct sunlight. Just make sure they have bright light on them. I've been setting mine next to a bright lamp on my desk. Or you probably could give it filtered sunlight as long as it's not real strong. But it does like bright light. It came with a tag. And it will rebloom. Water at least one time per week for 1 minute. And these babies will last forever. Well, maybe not forever, but for years. Enough people has had these for years. Just take good care of them. Very pretty. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.